we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who purchased the 3 Kids books, It's Time to Re-Educate. And then also those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And guys, we definitely received a pump and dump off of so-called fake news. But we had CNBC and Reuters report this. So guys, this was definitely a strategic move. Do not get it confused. Remember, the Fed does not tell you that we took your money. And this was definitely strategic. Anytime you have CNBC and Reuters reporting it. And as I'm doing this video, we're definitely dumping. So guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have volume, we have tether, we have USDC. Don't forget about the Fed. We know that the Fed is doing over $1 trillion a day. And then also, guys, don't forget CME opened that Sunday night. So we definitely get a swing. So we know that's the real reason. But of course, they bring out this Litecoin and Walmart news. Now, don't forget about Grayscale, guys. We know they're buying and dumping billions at a time, and that's also going to help swing the market. Plus, we have to keep our eyes on them because we have back this week. Very important, guys, because we know we're going to have a pullback. We know the Fed likes to pull back a little before we move into back. So the more we pull back, the less of a dump we'll have when back gets here. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, guys, we know Cardano smart contracts are now in effect from the Alonzo fork. Now, we also have Microstrategies. Michael Saylor purchases another 5,050 Bitcoin. That's $242 million in cash. Now, guys, who's really purchasing that? That's right, Morgan Stanley. Don't forget, guys, that Morgan Stanley bought into this bleeding company already. The reason why, guys, because this was part of the actual strategy. Now, we also had a $300 million incentive program help rally Harmony. Also, we have Arbitrum. Total lock value surges to $1.5 billion. And we have major UK hedge fund Brevan Howard launches crypto division. And we know that hedge fund guys are coming in again to do what? That's right, take your money. Because, guys, we're still at the highs. We know they have to build this 4th industrial revolution. We know the Fed pumps stocks and cryptos. They have to pull this money out in order to start building. And lastly, guys, we have Coinbase plans to raise $1.5 billion in private debt offering. And Coinbase is another builder. We know the whole purpose of Coinbase is to build this digital global economy. And all of these corporations have something in common. They're all working over in Asia, guys, the Asian connection. Remember, Babylon, the America falls, China, the dragon rises. Because remember, when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books, It's Time to Re-Educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, get their own stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home, wishing they was getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.
This yesterday on the panel that I think central bank digital currencies were concocted in hell by Satan himself. They are incredible control by governments over everybody's bank account, and they are they're going to create a void of privacy for every individual citizen. I think they're horrible, but I think that's where
The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Drama Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Drama Tam save New York. From COVID Stories 3. Part 3. King Joshua and Drama Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.